Trouble Turn Up TV, you know the struggle is real. So guys, this rusty looking man you see on the screen is a 70-year-old dirty man caught having sex with a schoolgirl age of 14 years old for 200 Jamaican dollars. So the girl's face was hidden for her own safety. Yes, my people. So watch and see for yourself. Leave your comments.
A fucking liquor pitney. Oi, oi, share what here? Share what here? Share what here? Where's that one? Pussy, and just tell me say your woman.
She share what here that we ask you?
Your woman.
Your woman, she your woman.
Liquor pitney, see ya? Watch her.
Oi, Bumbo, copyright away.
You dirty man, leave the people pitney them alone.
Yo, we catch a fucking liquor pitney. Yo, we catch a fucking liquor pitney. Oi, oi, oi. Share what here? Share what here? Share what here?
But here the dirty man, no? His girlfriend. Jamaica police. Anywhere this man is, please locate him immediately. Because this is not right. Too much of this taking place in Jamaica. We need justice. This man need to be arrested immediately.